We know that wings are the organs insects use for flying. They are membranous structures formed by the extension of the lateral thoracic plates. Insects usually have two pairs of wings, the forewings on the middle thorax and the hindwings on the rear thorax. Many insect wings are membranous and transparent, but some insects have evolved different wing textures and shapes to adapt to their environment. The main types of wings include elytra, hemelytra, scaly, membranous, tegmina, hairy, fringed, and halteres. Observing housefly wings. Houseflies have two pairs of wings, one pair of membranous forewings and one pair of halteres. Place the housefly wing slide on the microscope and adjust it. Under the microscope, you can see that housefly wings are usually transparent or slightly brown, with thick and visible veins. The membrane is transparent and flexible. When magnified, you can see the finely serrated edges of the housefly wings and tiny black hairs called setae. These setae help the housefly maintain stability and agility during flight. Observing bee wings. Bee wings are membranous and made of transparent tissue and tiny veins. Place the bee wing slide on the microscope and adjust it. Under the microscope, you can see the wing surface has fine textures, usually forming a mesh or honeycomb structure that enhances the wing's strength. You can also see the clear veins that support the entire wing. When magnified, you can observe tiny hairs on the edge and surface of the bee wings, which help bees sense their surroundings. Observing locust wings. Locusts have two pairs of wings, the narrow, leathery forewings that cover and protect the membranous hindwings. The hindwings are broad, soft, and membranous and unfold during flight. Locust wings are typically categorized as tegmina. Under the microscope, you can see the veins and the organized patterns on the wing surface, with some unevenly distributed dark brown spots. Observing dragonfly wings. Dragonflies have two pairs of wings, forewings and hindwings. The forewings are usually larger and more complex in shape than the hindwings. Dragonfly wings are membranous and made of a light, transparent material, allowing agile flight. Under the microscope, you can see the many veins forming a net-like structure arranged neatly. Observing butterfly wings. Butterfly wings are scaly, covered with thousands of tiny scales. The colors of butterfly wings mainly come from the structure and pigments of these scales. The pigments determine the primary colors, while the microstructure of the scales creates additional colors through interference and diffraction effects. Under the microscope, you can see the yellow pigments on the scales and a transparent protective layer on the wing surface. This protective layer helps prevent water loss and physical damage. Do you know what insect wings are for? They help insects hunt, escape predators, find better living environments, and attract mates. Wings play a crucial role in the survival and development of insects.